Alright, hello everybody, and this is going to be a little tour of my farm. My grandparents' farm, anyway. It's really snowy out here. There's a snowplow truck. Okay, we're going to start here with the garage. Okay. Gonna go this way. Alright, here's the feed for the cows. The cows are right behind this door. Right here's our cows. Some are out there, and we'll go out there to see them. But this one right here, let me try to zoom in on her. I can even get it. But anyway, that's one, and that's my little red cow. She's like going to be a 4-H thing. Yeah. Hi, cow. That's Little Red, that's what we call her. And that one I haven't named yet, so think of a name, just tell me. We'll go out and see the other cows. Okay, right over there's the hay. There's snow in here because it came through up there. So anyway, I'm gonna go this way. My pet was doing meat, so kind of messy. Water and stuff. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go over here to see the other cows. We have a few that are gonna have calves. It's gonna be really awful. Alright, there's Little Red again, and there's some more. And all the way over there is some more cows. If I can try to zoom in on them, I don't know if it will work. I'm not very good with this camera, but yeah, all the way over there. That's the same cow we were looking at, right there, and over there. So, and Little Red. Okay, I'll come back to them later. Okay, it's really snowy out. Like right there, it's a smokehouse, but I can't get through there because I'll sink in the snow. Alright, here's my barn. It's not really much of a stables or anything, but it's horse parking only. It's a little fun. It's awesome. Okay. Holy crap! Came through up there. But anyway, this is our barn, our tack. And it is very, very snowy because it's not finished yet. And right there we got halters and lead ropes, bridles, bucket, food with snow on it. Food. Saddles. The saddle I don't care about. Most of them are covered up with stuff. Really snowy. Yes. And then in here, we've got our horses. Right here is where Shadow stays. This is Shadow. Hi, Shadow. Come here, buddy. He's a pain in the butt. That's what you are. This is Shadow. He's a paint. He won't let me come behind him. There we go. See? Paint. Let's step back a little bit more. You can see him. There we go. Yeah, he's a pain. And this is Ben, my baby. He's like 28 years old though, so. This is Ben. He's part Arabian, but you can't see it in the winter. He's a quarter horse. He's not clear. So this is my buddy Ben, and my other one, my pain in the butt Shadow. Come here. No, come here, not over there. Whatever. Today, you're being the good boy. What's up with that? We're really starting a shed. Hey, buddy, look into the camera. Hey. I don't think he's ever been videotaped before, so yeah. Over here is where we put these guys. They're Ben. Shadow. This is Ben. My cutie. Come here. What's your problem? Ha, got you. And that's Shadow. Okay. Shadow likes to bite, so you can't like really touch him. This is how we latch our gate.